All right, what's up, everybody? We got 2020 Topps Museum. This is 4-box break number 3, eBay break. Break officially starts at 10, but we're going to get some of this ripping done and out of the way. So here we go. Let's just finish off the case we've been working on eBay. We are due a frame card tonight. Hopefully it shows up. I'm going to get everything, all the plastic and stuff ripped off down to the small boxes. Then we'll go down the team list, and then we'll fire this thing up. The TriStar Platinum Mini Helmet break will be right after this break. So probably roughly 10:10 or so. So if you're looking for that one, it will be next. Alrighty, we are ripped down to the small boxes. I'm going to run down the team list, so here we go. Jordan J, Royals, Cardinals. Gerke, Nationals, Blue Jays. Richard F, Rangers. Cody T, Rays. Nick R, Mariners. Matt A, Giants. Jerry P, Padres. Brian M, Pirates. David R, Phillies. Billy A, A's. Nick L, Indians. Shannon G, Rockies. Paul D, Tigers. Timothy S, Astros. Brant L, Angels. Rob M, Dodgers. Adam M, Marlins. Brian S, Brewers. John D, Twins. Chase C, Colts. Jeez whiz. Yankees and Mets. Robert B, Reds. Tim T, White Sox. Craig H, Cubs. Jeff J, Red Sox. Trey M, Orioles. Sherry W, Braves. Melissa L, Diamondbacks. All right, appreciate you all taking those spots tonight. We are almost to go time. I did that a little bit quicker than I figured. We'll go ahead and get these first boxes ready to roll in. We've got about 2 minutes till we start going through cards. Hey, I hope to see some Braves. Go Braves. All right, let me make sure there's no more group requests, and we'll start it up. All right, we're good to go. Here we go, guys. Once again, thanks for taking those spots. Welcome in. We got several new people tonight, so welcome into the group. Glad to have you here. Hope you stay a while. All right, box one. Three-color patch. Alberto Mondesi, 6 of 25. Kansas City. Giants, Willie Mays to 50. Oh, nice one for the Reds. Triple relic auto, Aquino. 198 of 199. One off the eBay 1 of 1. Autograph, Kyle Hendricks to 299, Cubbies. Quad relic, Rockies, 24-25. Arenado, Story, Blackman, and Dahl. And Scherzer to 150. Moving on to box number 2. There's one thing for sure. If Jordan's got the Royals and the Cardinals, one of them's getting something. You better believe it. Every time. All right, box 2. Here we go. Good luck. Nice one for the Mets. 5 of 25. Triple relic autograph, Jacob deGrom. Best pitcher in the game, I think. To 150. Keston Hiura, Milwaukee. Two-color patch, 14 of 25. Trevor Story, Colorado. Luis Robert, Copper. Another one for the Mets to 199, Darryl Strawberry. Kyle Lewis, rookie. And quad relic for the Nationals. 62 of 75. Strasburg, Soto, Scherzer, and Turner. Devers Copper finishes out box number 2. I think I feel it. I do. There is the frame we've been waiting for out of this case. I was starting to get worried it wasn't going to show up. Since the frame is there, we're going to keep that for the last box, and we'll skip over to this box. What's up, Zach? That's right, long time no see, man. Good to hear from you. All right, everybody, this is box 3 of the break. Good luck. Nico rookie. Devers canvas. Quad relic for the Phillies, 11 of 25, Bryce Harper. Tonight, all there's going to be is the 2 eBay breaks. I should have plenty of more stuff tomorrow night, though. I just got back from doing a little umpiring tonight, so short on time. A's, 17 of 199, Dennis Eckersley. Relic, 22 of 35, Nick Senzel, Cincinnati. Oh. Jumbo patch auto, Anthony Rizzo, 7 of 15 for the Cubbies. Nice one. And we have a Roberto Clemente, 13 of 50. Finishes out box number 3. All right, last box. Cal Ripken canvas. Dual relic autograph to 299, Max Kepler for the Twinkies. Carlos Correa to 99. Lindor canvas. Autograph Giant, 64 of 299, Mauricio Dubon. Mike Trout copper. Quad relic to 99 for the Dodgers. Kershaw, Bellinger, Buehler, and Seager. If that don't remind you how loaded the Dodgers are, what will? It's 4 big names. All right, we're almost down to the frame. And the last card of the break. Miguel Cabrera, 2 of 5 for the Tigers. Silver ink, what an awesome card. Congrats, Paul D. and the Tigers on the Miguel Cabrera frame. Sweet hit, man. All right, guys, we'll recap the autographs real quick. Miguel Cabrera, framed auto for the Tigers. Dubon. Kepler. Rizzo. Dennis Eckersley. Darryl Strawberry. Jacob deGrom. Kyle Hendricks. And Aquino for the Reds. Appreciate you guys taking those spots. Thanks so much. Tomorrow night's eBay breaks are some mini helmets and gold standard football. I hope to see you back soon. Helmet break coming up next, guys.